One of the things you run across if you do a lot of firearms research, like I do, are some remarkably stupid firearms legal situations. And a comment on yesterday's video about the Omani, sort of Omani, Browning high powers made me think about this. I have, right here, a Browning high power. This is Canadian manufacture for the Chinese nationalist government during World War II. And because it is old, essentially, I can take this shoulder stock and snap it right on there, and presto, I have a stock pistol that is exempt from the regulations of the National Firearms Act, and it says so right in the ATF's own rulebook. But based on the ATF's new regulations that are coming out on arm braces, it would be illegal for me to put an arm brace on this pistol. And it doesn't even matter what kind of arm brace, because ATF has decided that this pistol is both too short, it's under 12 inches, and far too light, because it's under 64 ounces of weight, for this to have any justification for having extra support. But of course, at the same time, totally legal by their own standard to put an original shoulder stock on it, just not an arm brace. Does that make sense to anybody? Probably not.